Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Today let's take a look at two different ways to clean out that drain, that French drain, the downspout drain, the yard drain. First way is using a drain cleaning machine. It is the best way to get rid of the roots and debris. You can see the roots wrapped up on that cable. We are cleaning a downspout drain line, and it's corrugated pipe. It's not perforated, it's solid pipe, and you can see the roots still grow into that pipe. They grow into PVC too. Using a drain cleaning machine, you can rent this from Home Depot or Sunbelt. There's several places that you can rent the machine. By cleaning this line, you will save that basement and crawl space from getting water down the wall, along the footer, and save thousands of dollars. Okay, a lot of myth out there, a lot of talk. This is a fabric wrapped French drain. And I'm just going to let this video run. I posted it before, but take a look at this root system. Fabric does not stop roots. It actually promotes root growth. Take a look. With a good drain cleaning machine, you can usually pull these root systems out and save the system. If you live in the northern part of the country or Canada, you need to maintain this system. Otherwise, you're going to spend thousands of dollars to dig this all up and replace it. Take a look at the root system that we're pulling out of this fabric wrapped French drain. No roots? This system was so poorly designed, no gravel on the bottom of the trench. The fabric, it was totally plugged up with soil and debris. If this homeowner would have maintained the line, they wouldn't have this problem. All the trash talk about installing French drains and how they're supposed to work. We've showed you hundreds of videos of the proper way to install a French drain. So we've just shown you one way to clean out that French drain, the downspout drain, using the drain cleaning machine, which you can easily rent, or you can pay a company to come out and clean the line. Now let's take a look at the mini jet. The mini jet does a great job. It doesn't clean the roots as well, but it definitely can move debris from the line. Okay, let's go ahead and clean a downspout drain using the mini jet. Showed you how the nozzle works. We're extending the hose down into the pipe, and we're going to kick it on. Remember, this is attached to a pressure washer, something the homeowner can easily do themselves. This little nozzle is available on Amazon, or you can find it for less than 30 bucks. Pressure washer builds up pressure, sends that jet down the line, goes all the way to the end. You can see that so powerful, it just pulls that cable right down through the line. It can get tangled, that's for sure, but we'll get it through there. Once you get it all the way to the very end, now you're going to keep that pressure on the line and you're going to pull it back. The secret is to keep the pressure on the jet, because those nozzles in the back of that jet are going to pull that debris all the way back. When you're out here at the street, it's pretty easy. You can easily just pull it back and walk backwards at the same time and pull it all the way out. Remember, keep pressure on that nozzle. Keep pressure on that nozzle so that you can pull back all the debris. See that water flow? See how it's pulling out all the debris? You can see the sand out there on the street. It's been pulling water out there constantly. This is a downspout drain. They need to be maintained. If you don't, you're going to get a root system in there, and then you're going to have to replace the line. Those roots wrap around it, they crush it. Look at that nozzle pull out. Tremendous flow of water coming out of that thing now.
The cable opens the line and the water cleans it out. So we have the portion under the drive wide open, and you can see all the water that came over to the second catch basin. So now we need to clean from this line all the way around the house, first of all, just to find out where it goes, because we don't know. So we'll go ahead and send the cable down the line. You can see that all the water that's stuck here, because this section of the line is still backed up. What's great about using the drain cleaning machine to clean a drain is not only can you clean and open that drain, you can also map where it goes. In other words, we can hear that cable as it goes down through the ground and find where the stoppage is, also find out where the line goes. The cost of replacing a French drain or a drain tile or even to install a new one has skyrocketed in the past few years. It is far more cost effective to try and clean and repair your system.
So we found out that this catch basin actually runs through a French drain, a gravel encased system with fabric around it, and that's fine, that's all good. We were able to open the French drain as well. Sending the cable down the line solves problems. It's great to maintenance these systems. You can extend the life of your French drain, downspout drain. Look at the flow of water coming out here at the discharge. It's tremendous flow, and we've cleaned that line completely. That French drain will now last another 5 or 6 years. Clean these lines. It is so important to maintenance your systems. A true drainage contractor can not only install French drains, downspout drains, channel drains, footer tile, all of these systems, but they should also be able to repair and maintenance the systems that they install. They should be able to come out to your house and take a look and solve the problem. It doesn't necessarily mean that you have to install a new system every time you call these guys. Call a company that can come out and fix the problem, troubleshoot the problem. If you're doing it yourself, you can run this machine down the line and you can find the problem. Maybe there's roots in there and the cable will pull those out. Maybe it's collapsed. You need to just dig it up. You can hear the cable as it runs through the ground. I've showed you videos where you can hear that cable. It's quite loud, it's unmistakable, and it's something that you guys can easily do yourselves, or if you're going to call someone, like I said, make sure that they are true drainage contractors and they're able to clean and repair, maintenance that line as well as install. This French drain did not have a whole lot of tree roots in it, but it did have some, enough to back up the line. Remember, fabric promotes growth of trees, and even the grass. When grass grows into that system, it will back it up. So we just showed you 2 great ways to clean out that French drain, yard drain, downspout drain. Maintain your systems. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.